Bhagyashri. I had to appear in front of the camera because I wanted to show you something else. So here is my painting. Today I'm going to explain about these things, how I plan my work and how I get confused and what I do when I'm confused and what else digital platform helps you to improve your creativity. And also I'm going to show you what I got printed. This is the printed work and what mistake you should not do when you get prints done on canvas. So all those things I'm going to discuss. Let's get back. That superhero is talking there. And if you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe and like my videos so that I can reach many beginners. I will be sharing all details which I went through. I'm a self-taught artist and I would love to share what techniques you can use when you're learning and how you can improve your creativity and imagination to avoid the recreations and reference images and all those things. So please subscribe. When you're learning, planning is very important. I scroll through Pinterest and Google Images a lot when I plan. I don't take a single image for my reference. I dig into so many photos and I get some of the other aspects from each and every images. So one from that angle is required for me and objects are required. So what you want to create in one picture is very important. So you have to plan that way. Most of the time I start painting directly by imagining something. I take the reference image for angles. So I start with the angles and when I done half, I get confused. My mind gets blocked. What happens, I have already shared in Ganesha painting, I guess. So I sit and plan because I don't know what to create next because I'm not going to use the same image for my reference when I'm creating my own abstract works. So I take Pinterest for reference and I go to PixArt. I used to be VIP, now I got blocked. I got blocked in the sense I'm not a gold member now. So I take the casual stickers for my reference and once I'm done half, I put some stickers here and there. So in this painting, I painted the background first. All these buildings and all was done and I created some textures and I waited for a day to imagine something new. So the thought came, which is I imagined Bangalore for real, which is said to be garden city. So I thought of adding some trees over there and I took PixArt for that reference and I added some trees here and there. And the road was here and I added some vehicles. So that gave me the idea of creating and completing that work. So I just started painting those trees with palette knife only and I continued those works. So that helps me. I will come up with a new video where I can show you what you can do when you are stuck in between and when you go on Artblock, half done works and also that happened in Ganesha painting for me and this painting also. So many things. Most of the time when I go for abstract illustrations, that happens with me. Not the color based illustrations but these type of imagination things and all. So that I need to imagine something and I need to see that first how it works, then only I can go for it. So those angles and all, the size and all, you can analyze when you create something digitally. So you can take the stickers help or you can draw that on your phone or whatever you have with you. So imagining things and placing the objects on the right place helps you to create your own work so easily. When I paint, I look into the lightings, shadows and all those things. So when I got the printouts done, I took the photo of this one and I went for the painting. So this was a test one. I wanted to paint and got painted. What happened? I took the photo, and in the Photoshop I did some mistakes. You can see that is no light, white shadows are not here, white, these things are not here. This is very warm actually, very clean and warm. But here the contrast got more when I got printed on the canvas. This is a canvas and of the frame from Art Avenue I got this done. So what happened ki, while editing the image it got more contrast. So because of that, maybe the shadows came like some scratches like thing came. But when you're looking to this picture individually, that doesn't matter. But when you're comparing it with the original one, you'll get to know what happened. So make sure you're not clicking the image badly with the bad light, and you're not editing too much on that. So if you're planning something of print images for selling and all, so make sure you test it once before you go for selling. I hope you liked the video. I had to come up face to face. This is my first time trying out these things. I never tried before. Hats off to those actors who face the camera. I don't have anyone here. Still I'm talking. This is weird, I get used to it. So I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. The processes I'll just try to explain, and in other videos I'll be coming up with new techniques and hacks. So please kindly subscribe and help me to reach other beginners. So I'll come up with satisfying videos, and